What's up, Top Traders team? Welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be discussing BBAI. Guys, what is happening to BBBY? This stock went absolutely parabolic today. We took a couple of trades in our own trading community, bringing in some significant profits for our trading team, guys. But with that being said, what the hell is this all about, and how much longer can BBBY actually run from here on out? Big Bear AI, more like Big Bull AI, okay? We're going to be talking about the news that came out regarding this company, this massive contract, which is actually triple the size of the company's market cap right now, meaning it has potential to triple from here on out, okay? That's what we're going to be talking about today, guys. What is the short interest on the stock? Can there be a potential short squeeze? Was there already a potential short squeeze? And much, much more in today's video. So with that being said, hit the thumbs up button because this is going to be a very, very, informative video. So you want more people to see this, all right? So hit the thumbs up button. It's also going to be a bullish video, okay? I'm going to be telling you guys what are some technical levels and much, much more. So let's jump right into it. We'll go 3, 2, 1, and action. Okay. So right over here, we have Big Bear AI, guys, going absolutely insane, guys. It ran from a price of about 65 cents all the way upwards of $3 and about 80 cents. Okay, 85 cents, I think, is where it's peaked at. Fortunately, it wasn't able to break these levels. I did have originally an exit price of about $4.20-ish on the stock, but we ended up closing our position in the community at $3.40, which is still pretty good considering we did get pretty early in, jumped in at $2.70 and closed at $3.40, which brought in some significant profits for our community, okay? So with that being said though, right, what are some levels that we need to be watching here and what are some things that we need to see here? Okay, so first things first, we need the stock to be able to hold this $2 and about, I would say, 60-cent level, right? Because it's the bottom of these candles, right? And if it's able to actually build up and give us a green candle tomorrow, then this will be a confirmation of a bull flag, right? If the stock starts curling up, I could easily see a break $3.85. Potentially, if it breaks $3.85, it's testing $4. It's probably going to break $4, right? Because it will take massive volume to get the stock jumping from here on out to test $3.85. And if it's going to be running all the way upwards of $3.85, it's probably going to test $4, and with that momentum is going to break $4, okay? So remember that, guys, right? Once you see it curling up, right? Once you see the stock get past above this, I would say, $3.30-ish, okay? $3.30, maybe $3.50-ish. I'll be paying close attention to this stock, right? To see if it's going to break $3.85. If it breaks $3.85, you could easily jump in and take a scalp trade on the stock. Now, one thing you got to know, okay? One thing you got to know. Whether you're trading in our community, following my trade alerts, watching the lessons that I post on a weekly basis, or you're trading by yourself, trading is extremely risky, okay? And our results in our community are not typical, okay, guys? Last month, we brought in about 530% for our community members, right? Summed up minus all the losses and adding up all the gains, right? 530% gains in total. But our results are not typical. So anything you hear in today's video or from here on out is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. But with that being said, if you do want to join the community, check it out because it's on 50% sale right now. And guess what? This is how much we believe in our community. It's first month money back guarantee with no reasons required. But let me tell you something, my friend. Very few people leave, okay? Very few people leave because they love the community. Over here, we have our market win section. Just to point out to you guys, the alert that we posted out today on BBAI, right? Let me see. BBAI, it was this BBAI, right? This was BBAI, right? So I posted $2.70. This is when people entered, but then the stock was already going up a little bit. So I said buy sub 3, right? Buy sub 3, and then I changed the price to $4.15 exit, right, with a $2.80 stop loss. But then, I got a little bit worried, right? I got a little bit worried, so we exited at $3.40. I was like, I'm scared, guys. Sorry, though. We're getting out at $3. I said $3.30, but $3.40 is where we exited. Saw gains from $2.70, right? A lot of people made a killing. Over here, guys, we have our market win section where people post their wins based off of my trailers. Today, we also made a killing on BBBY, okay? BBBY, let me see this over here. BBBY over here, we also made a killing. Absolute insane killing, guys, right? So yeah, over here, we have the market win section where people post the trade wins based off of my trailers. And as you guys can see, BBBY, my boy Huss made about 50% gains today. My boy Vidal, he brought in about 30% gains. Just everyone's making a killing, okay? Everyone's making a killing day after day. There's a great community to be part of, basically what I'm saying. Now, it is through Patreon, which is a monthly subscription, and I know people cringe when they hear monthly subscription. They think, oh my god, another bill added to my long list of bills. But you're wrong, right? You're wrong. Why are you wrong? Because this isn't just any bill. This is the bill, my friends, that pays the bills. Okay, when was the last time your Netflix bill brought in 70% gains for you? When was the last time your your YouTube premium bill brought in 51% gains for you? When was the last time your freaking car bill even brought in 70% gains for you? Right? When was the last time your what else? What else? Your mortgage? Your mortgage? Did your mortgage bring in, I mean, I know how the real estate market's doing. Did it bring in 83% for you? It didn't. Okay, it didn't. So check us out, guys. The link is in the comment description. People are making a killing every day. You're truly leaving money on the table by not joining the top trader team. Now, going back to what I was saying regarding BBBY. Okay, so BBBY, guys, over here, it's very important for it to hold this, I would say $2.50 level, right, which is $2.60. I think it's $2.60. Yes, so $2.60 is going to be insanely important for the stock to hold, guys, right? If it breaks $2.60, then it's going to be looking kind of, it's going to be looking bad, right? It's going to be looking bad because, just as fast as stocks run up, just as fast they come down. And the way that it has gapped up over here, guys, it truly has no strong level of support holding it before it comes back down and it tests some, previous levels over here at, let's say, $1.53 or maybe $2 ish, right? $2 is probably gonna hold $2 because it's a whole dollar value and it's also the tip of this candle, right? But then, like I said, right, if it breaks $2.60, it's probably gonna come back down to $2 and test $2. So be mindful of that. Now, when it comes to the news that came out regarding the stock, what has been causing all this insanity? Well, BBBY, Big Bear AI guys got a military contract worth $900 million. Now, BBAI, okay. When we close over here, guys, BBAI right now has about a market cap of $385 million. So this contract that they got worth $900 million is approximately 3 times their market value of the stock right now. With a single contract. Okay, so this is a stock that does have a lot of potential from here on out as well, right? I am going to be adding this to my watch list. We might be taking some trades on it on Friday and also on Monday if this stock gives us good trading opportunities. Now, like I was saying, right? Now going to the short interest of this stock, right? We see that the short interest is sitting about 4.52%, right? 4.52%, but however, this is fake. Why is this fake? Because it doesn't account for the naked shorts, it doesn't account for the synthetic shares, it doesn't account for the dark pool volume, and all the scummy ways, guys, that hedge funds use in order to, manipulate the stock market, right? So, I wouldn't be too, oh, it's only 4% shorted. No, it's not 4% shorted. Let me tell you why. Because when we look at the cost to borrow, a lot of people are borrowing shares. Okay, a lot of people have shares on hold borrowed. And it's at 290% cost to borrow, meaning that people are paying an annual interest rate of 290% to be able to short this stock. People are paying a lot of money to be able to short the stock. How does cost to borrow work? Well, cost to borrow, I'm like a broken record, but I know there are a lot of new viewers every time, guys, so I don't mind explaining to you guys over and over again, okay? And listen, shorting and, short interest and everything like that is a, it is a kind of a, it's a complicated subject. So I understand, please be patient with me if you've already heard me explain it. So basically, the way it works is that you borrow a share. The way shorting works is you borrow a share from your broker, you sell it, you hope you buy it back at a cheaper price, right? However, when you borrow the stock from your broker, you have to pay interest on borrowing the stock. Now, how much you pay is based on supply and demand, right? It's just simple supply and demand. So how many other people also want to borrow that share and short it? Well, the higher amount of people that want to short the stock, the higher this cost to borrow number is. And 290% is very high. Just to put that into perspective, let's go to Tesla. Let's go to Tesla, right? Let's see what Tesla's short cost to borrow is, right? Guys, Tesla's cost to borrow is sitting at about 0.56%. Okay, I got you, bro. I got you. Hide these tips. At 0.56%. 0.56% compared to, BBAI's over 200% cost to borrow. Let that be put into perspective. What is Tesla's short interest? Let's go back to Tesla. Tesla's short interest is 3%. Okay, so with 3%, it has a cost to borrow of 0.56. So how the heck, right? How the heck can BBAI's short interest be 4%, right? If it has a cost to borrow of 290%, right? It just doesn't make sense, okay? It just doesn't make sense. But again, guys, in order for us to actually be able to tap into that short interest, we do need to see more volume pouring in. We do need to see more volume pouring in. Now, over here, the RSI, right? The RSI did show that the stock was overbought. However, the RSI isn't accurate like that, okay? The RSI isn't accurate like that. Why isn't it accurate like that? Because the RSI never accounts for actual fundamental news coming in. It just looks at the chart. It looks at the chart and then it goes, oh, so how does the RSI work, first of all? So if it's above 70, right? You see over here, it's 70, 70, 80, blah, blah, blah. If it's above 70, that means that the stock is expensive. It means it's overbought. If it's below 30, right? I don't have the third. Oh, there we go. If it's below 30, right? If it's below 30, that means that the stock is oversold, which means it's cheap. However, the RSI doesn't account for any fundamental news. So the RSI looks at the chart and goes, oh, what? This stock ran from 0.85 cents to $3.85? Yeah, it's overbought. It's expensive. Well, yeah, no shit. It doesn't know that they got a $900 million military contract. Okay? So with that being said, you know, like I was saying, we do need volume coming in, right? We need bigger volume candles coming in. I'm super interested in seeing what this stock does tomorrow, right? Because it does truly have a lot of potential. Now, before I leave you guys, this video is also brought to you by Moomoo. Okay? They're the sponsor of this channel. We have an exclusive promotion with Moomoo where if you deposit as little as $1, Moomoo gives you a free stock. That free stock could be any stock, okay? We've had people get $100 stock, $200 stocks. We even had someone to get a $900 Tesla stock when Tesla was sitting at $900. But let's say you don't have the best stock, okay? And you get like a $50 stock or a $30 stock or a $20 stock. Bro, you took 5 minutes, you deposited $1, and you made $50. Take advantage of the promotion. That's all I'm saying. Whether you already have a broker or you don't, Moomoo's a great broker. But if you already have a broker, head down below, deposit $1, enjoy the free stock they give you. Okay? So with that being said, thank you for watching, guys. Happy investing and trading. I hope you guys found value in today's video. I look forward to talking to you all through the Discord link. The Discord link, how do you join? It says join Discord and then there's a link, okay? It's in the description and I'll also pin it in the comment section for you guys. Check us out, guys. There are limited spots because I do offer one-on-one consulting as well, and I can't do that if the community has 1,000 members. Okay, so check it out, guys. You know, the link is there. 50% discount, first month money back guarantee. Nothing to lose, really. Your boy Sam from Top Trader Team.